Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set out of office replies in Outlook. So, to set out of office replies or just automatic replies, in Outlook you want to go to the file, which is right here, and then you have this option called automatic replies. So just click on it, and then as you can see, the window is coming up and you can select send automatic replies. So from this time that you have selected it, you can the Outlook is going to send automatic replies from the time you just click on the set automatic replies, and they are going to all emails that are coming to your inbox, they are going to get reply automatic and get the email that you are on a vacation or you are sick or something like that. And also you can select only send this automatic replies during this time range. So you can click on it and select time. For example, let's go for a following week from Monday to Friday. And you can select the times from, for example, 8 a.m. to 8 a.m. to go for, full day. Sorry, let's just find 8 a.m., which is right here. So it's gonna be for 24 hours. And if you want to, get the automatic replies, for example, for the whole year, you want to set Monday to, for example, the end of the year, December, and select maybe you are not working between, you're working 8 to 4 p.m. So let's just select from 4 p.m. to 8 a.m. So at this time, between those hours, if someone sends you an email, they are going to get the message, which you can write right here in this section. So for example, hey, I'm out of office right now. I'm going to read this email us up the next day between 8 to 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. for example. You can write here whatever you want. You can write here, sorry, I'm sick, sorry, I'm on a vacation, I'm coming this time, or something like that. You can select the font size, everything you can do from a specific email. And now what you want to do is just click OK. And now the automatic replies are on. So for this time, this specific time that you have selected by automatic replies, everyone that sends you an email is going to get this email between those hours, between those dates. So this is how you set out of office or just automatic replies in Outlook. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit the like. Bye.